How to install Figma desktop app on Windows 11. So if you want to install Figma desktop app on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Figma download. Once you've searched for Figma download, now you need to go with www.figma.com, which will take you to the official website. Now from here, you need to just go with the desktop app, which is right here, desktop app for Mac OS or desktop app for Windows. So I'll just simply go with the Windows because I'm using Windows and go with the top right, which has that download section. Once you click on download here, you need to click on the unverified file and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. Now, once the setup has been downloaded, you can go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with downloads. From the downloads, wait for it to download. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Once the file has been downloaded, you can click on the setup file. And after clicking on the setup file, it will ask you if you want to install the application or not. So as you can see that if you click on that, then here on the bottom, it says installing. So it will start the installing process. And that's it. As you can see that the Figma has been installed. You can go and log in with your browser or create an account, and that's it. That's how you can install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.